In this video, you will learn how excess nitrogen from wastewater acts as a pollutant that can cause harm to human health and the environment. Nitrogen cycles through the environment in different forms, like water does in the water cycle. In the atmosphere, nitrogen gas, N2, is a stable, harmless gas that makes up 78% of the air we breathe. In human and animal organisms, the nitrogen in urine and waste is called ammonia. Once outside the body, ammonia from waste is quickly converted by bacteria in the soil and water into nitrite, then into nitrate. Nitrate, NO3, is a compound of nitrogen and oxygen naturally found in the air, soil, water, and some food. Ammonia and nitrate are valued on land as fertilizer and help plants grow. Eventually, nitrates from fertilizers and manure are carried to surface waters by stormwater runoff and coastal soil erosion. While fertilizers are a major source of nitrogen pollution, humans also generate nitrogen pollution through the disposal of our waste. Groundwater carries excess nitrogen nutrients from wastewater disposal systems like cesspools and septic tanks to surface waters like lakes and streams, and ultimately the ocean. Unfortunately, excess nitrogen in waters acts as a pollutant that is harmful for the environment, groundwater, and especially coral reefs. When excess nitrogen finds its way into the groundwater and surface waters, the algae and plants respond to the added nutrients the same way the crops in the field do. They grow and explode in numbers, creating algal blooms. The rapid growth of algae forms dense mats that block sunlight and can lead to less oxygen in the water, suffocating fish and creating dead zones where marine life will struggle to survive. Nitrogen pollution has severe consequences on human health as well. Cesspools can contaminate the drinking water supply, and Hawaiʻi relies on underground aquifers for our drinking water, with groundwater wells accounting for more than 90% of the fresh water we consume on the islands. High levels of nitrate contaminate our drinking water supply and can be harmful to human health. For example, when infants consume formula prepared with drinking water that is contaminated by excess nitrates from nitrogen pollution, it can interfere with their blood's ability to carry oxygen, resulting in a condition called blue baby syndrome. This health risk can cause symptoms like shortness of breath, blueness of skin, and even death if not treated. While nitrates are essential for life and helpful for plant growth on land, the excess nitrates from wastewater pollution can create serious risks to both human health and the environment. To protect our ʻāina from these risks, it is important to manage and treat wastewater effectively to reduce the amount of nitrates that enter our water systems. This video was produced by Wastewater Alternatives and Innovations and the Pacific International Center for High Technology Research. Funding for this project comes from the Department of Labor, Employment, and Training Administration.